Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you something very interesting, and this is gonna be an Opel. If I gotta talk about cars I like the most, those cars are Mercedes and Opel. Opel is a GM brand that's available in Europe. There used to be Opels available in United States, and those were the Opel GTs. They were very cool sports cars. From the Opels, I like the most their sports models. They're very reliable, easy to modify, and very quick. So with this video, I'm gonna start a series of videos about cool sports red Opels. So get ready for some very fun videos. In this first video, I'm gonna show you the Opel Kadett GSI. The GSI was available with two engines, both 2 liters. The one that had 8 valves per cylinder was the 2.0 NE engine, and the really quick engine that they had was on the GSI 16 valves. 2.0, 16 valves, 150 horsepower. The weight of the Kadett GSI was only 990 kilos, and the car was capable of getting from 0 to 60 in only 6.5 seconds. Let me get it unboxed so I can show you more details. The model is very well made with all of the original GSI details, which include the front GSI bumper, rear GSI bumper, the spoiler in the back, the different side skirts, as well as the mesh on the rear window. Also, the GSI had a black board between the tail lights. Another distinctive and special part for the GSI was the hood with the 2 scoops on it. The model has 2 opening doors, and the trunk opens as well. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so to see more awesome videos.